In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a person in Slack chat, which is a quick yet essential task for enhancing communication within your team. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or a newbie, this guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate new members into your workspace. To start off, ensure you're logged into Slack. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Slack's official website. From there, find the option to sign in, and you can choose to log in using Google if that's your preference. This method can simplify the process and save you some time by leveraging your existing Google credentials. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard. This hub is where all your team's interactions are consolidated. Look to your sidebar and you'll see various channels listed. These channels are the backbone of your Slack workspace, grouping conversations by specific topics or projects. Next, navigate to the channel where you want to add a new person. Once you're in the desired channel, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see an option to view all members. Clicking this will provide a list of all current members in the channel, giving you a snapshot of who is already involved in the conversation. To proceed with adding a new member, locate and click the Add People button, usually found within the Members menu on the right hand side. This function opens up a dialog box specifically designed to facilitate the addition of new participants to your channel. Now it's time to enter the new member's email address. This is a crucial step, as the email serves as the primary identifier for the Slack invite. Be sure to double check for any typos or errors, as these could result in the invite not reaching its intended recipient. After entering the email address, simply click the Add button. This action will send an invitation to the specified email address, prompting the new member to join the channel. At this point, your job is technically done. However, it's always good practice to inform the new member via another communication method about the invite. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add someone to a Slack channel. By following these steps, you ensure that your channels are populated with the right people, enhancing collaboration and streamlining team communication. If you're managing a team or leading projects, mastering these simple tasks will keep your workflow smooth and organized, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, achieving your team's goals efficiently. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and feel free to check out other guides to become even more proficient in using Slack. Happy slacking!